This is pure infrared mode using the 2x teleconverter, so you get a slight vignetting, as you can see on the top end. Just let the focus settle, snap back in and zoom back out. So this is with a 950 nanometer filter on during the day, handheld use, white foliage. This is just through. That's the standard vision without an adapter, and I'll put a wide lens on now, so you can see that actually gets you, again, slight vignetting there. If you zoom in twice, that'll go. That gives you a nice wide area to film. So let's popping that off. That's back to your standard, and then taking the IR filter off. And then if we put a colour correcting filter in place, you'll just see how the colours return to normal. Then to full spectrum, and then back to infrared.